What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel for an all-new episode of Shampoo Search. Today, our search takes us back to DS Laboratories to explore some new items from their lineup and how they can help you achieve your goals on multiple fronts. Alright, now today we've got a special episode of The Search because today we're not only checking out a cleansing duo, but we got an entire kit, specifically the men's hair loss kit from this brand, which if you saw the first video I made looking at their Revita shampoo, you already saw that hair loss is a major focus of this brand. So today we are looking at the entire kit, which includes the same Revita shampoo that we looked at before, but this time we've got the conditioner too that we did not get to look at in the first video. And then we've got their Spectral DNCN, which we will look at first. And this, according to the brand, is the first clinically tested topical serum to employ 5% minoxidil, which is a molecule specially developed to increase the effectiveness against hair loss and to minimize the occurrence of side effects compared to the well-known supplement minoxidil. They also say this formula here using that minoxidil helps strengthen roots and increases the appearance of hair density, thickness, and volume. It does come out like a spray, a really nice thick spray, which is designed specifically this way so it can open ion channels in hair follicles with a lower molecular weight to enhance its bioavailability. In other words, it just works. Because why? Well, because science. That's why. Because science.
Yes, science!
Now, using this stuff is very easy. It comes out of the pump there. It's a spray. It's a very easy to use spray. And they do recommend that you apply 6 pumps twice a day directly to the scalp in the affected areas. It's super easy to use. You just spritz it onto your hair and then go about your business. It's not greasy or oily. It doesn't affect the finish. It's nice and low key. It's pretty much like it's not even there, which is great. And I want to quickly add to that too that you don't have to wash or rinse this stuff out. It actually says to leave it in for a while. So I wanted to mention that in case you had a question about it. They of course though recommend when you are ready to wash your hair that you use it with their shampoo and conditioner, which we will move over to right now. And once again, we have already examined the Revita shampoo, which is a hair stimulating shampoo that the brand says delivers superior results for men and women concerned with hair loss and hair thinning. If you do want to see this one up close, I would refer you back to the first video I made looking at this one by itself, but for now I'm going to move on to the conditioner, which is new territory for us here. And once again, according to the brand, the Revita conditioner delivers state-of-the-art technology that builds off of the awesome setup brought in by the Revita shampoo. The brand also says that unlike conventional conditioners, this one contains scientifically proven ingredients of the highest quality and efficacy to promote optimal hair health by utilizing a next-generation delivery system that adheres to the scalp, keeping key ingredients working for 12 hours or longer to achieve that maximum efficacy. Now, since we've looked at the shampoo up close already, and if you haven't, I'm referring you to that other video, I'm going to start basically where we left off from that video. So we've already washed with the shampoo. The results are the exact same here as the first video. So we are going to move on to the conditioner phase and see what this one brings to the table. And first, let me tell you, I have seen enough conditioners throughout this series to say that you can really tell a lot about a conditioner from the way it makes your hands feel. And this one here makes my hands feel very moisturized. It's like I used a good lotion, and in my hair, it feels pretty much the same, which is good. I mean, who wants a conditioner that makes your hair feel like sand or something like that? I mean, that would make absolutely no sense. But here I'm letting it sit for a while as usual to give it a fair chance to do its thing. But after doing that and rinsing it out, here is the results we can see. It's obviously soft, it looks nice and nourished, it's full, it's healthy looking, there's even some natural volume going on there. In other words, it seems to be doing its job without issue. I want to quickly mention too that this brand does offer a Derma Roller as well. I know a lot of you are interested in these. They are nifty little tools here. I can definitely see why some of you might be interested in this. And in using this one, I can tell that it's actually doing something. I can feel it right there on my scalp. I can't really speak to results, of course. I don't have data on that, but it definitely feels like it's doing something, and it's very easy to use. It's easy to implement into your routine, I should say. And if you are interested in trying one or curious about one, I do think it's pretty cool, and again, I do feel like it's doing something. As far as my final verdict on this set though, I do want to first say that obviously I can't speak to the hair loss portion of these products as I am not experiencing hair loss, but I can tell you that even if you aren't experiencing that like me, I find that you can still get something out of these. I think actually you can get the same type of assistance as if you were having hair loss, but instead it's just getting a boost of all those awesome ingredients. It's basically like adding steroids for your hair. And that's ultimately what I think about this line, it has a lot of great things going on inside the formula that is based on very sound science, and you can really tell that they know their stuff and they put it all into practice here. And like I said, hair loss or not, I think you can get something out of this, and that's why I included it in the search here. That though is what I see with the hair loss kit from DS Labs, but as usual, the final verdict is up to you. And if you'd like to check out this or anything else from this brand, there will be a link in the description as usual on this video, and actually every video going forward. And while you're checking that out, make sure you do the usual for me: like, comment, subscribe, all that awesome stuff. That is very important. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.